Perfect. So we've this is the 8th of December, and we have another stock, Northeastern Carriers, NECC Limited. Small stock, hasn't performed really well, but is now on its way back to a bullish cycle. Let's see. I mean, we may not be taking this up as a trade, but very quick analysis. If there is anything that we can find, then definitely we will look at the entry points. Currently trading at 21.95, NECC Limited on the monthly time frame. It is bullish, has consolidated for a while, and then taken the move. Looks like this rest was required. I think, in fact, it has moved up, come back again, rested, and then moved up again. Looking all right so far. It is in a bullish trajectory. On the weekly time frame, yes, it has been consistently since May of this month, moving up. On the daily time frame, and let's go back to weekly, just see these points where it is finding a resistance. In fact, this must have been a good resistance point. Nothing very specific here. Where the price is currently trading, also nothing very specific. In fact, we may find resistance at these levels at 33, even up to 31. So I think this is what we will try to capture, a 10 rupee move. Let's see if that is what our risk to reward allows us to do. Daily time frame, good consolidation as we saw. Bullish crossover happening here. This is also moved up with volumes today. The bullish crossover here, we've allowed the prices to go up. In fact, they've touched certain highs, but then there is a lower high, lower low, ring low pattern forming here, and then after that again, good volumes coming. There has been a rejection towards the end of the day, but of course, I think it has closed well above these highs, the previous highs. I think that this can be treated as a rejection on an intraday level. Entry can be taken here at market 21.95. Disclaimer, not a buying recommendation at all. We're just doing these videos for for us to just study and analyze the charts and see what happens. This is specifically designed for our bootcamp participants. We will look at the overall trend on the daily time frame. Yes, quite bullish. Let's look at our key support here. Yes, it is taking support at the 50 EMA at around this point, and around this point the phase 2 was closed and the phase 1 had started, so looking good here. What will be very quickly our entry and exit points? Of course, you don't have to trade this if you don't want to, because this has a huge deep stop loss. No, this is quite deep actually. This stop loss is quite deep. You can if you've got some spare investment, or if you think that you want to just buy this stock at a small value and then hold it for a few months, multiple months in fact, I think then you should go for it. Otherwise, I think you can just skip this. But let's see NECC, even if we have to do a 1:1 on this, will we be well within our 30 rupee level, the one where there is a, okay, this 1:2, yeah, even it can do a 1:2. So I think if you're looking at a spare investment, like you just want to put up small amounts of investment in a good volume stock, I think this is something that you can look at. A 1:2 should be a minimum risk to reward, because I think over a period of few months it should reach about 30-31 levels. This is the first level. In fact, there was the second level of 33. I think it should reach somewhere around here as well. But yeah, very quickly, I think this is the stock, NECC Limited, entry at 21.22. 21.22, yeah, and stop loss at 17.6, exit with a minimum 1:2 on 30.7. So please leave this stock if you're planning to buy it. please buy it and leave the stock and monitor it over over a couple of weeks and see how it is doing. I think this should be fine. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll come back with another video with a nice stock recommendation, or not a recommendation, of course, but an analysis.